This video I'm going to tell you how to create or make game pass on roblox for free. So first of all you have to go to roblox.com. so it will take you to the login page. If you haven't logged in yet, you have to log in with your username and password. Once you log in, it will take you to this home page, and now if you want to create a game pass, you have to tap on this create tab. Tap on it and it will take you to this dashboard creation, where you have to be in experiences. Just tap on this image or this experience, by default experience. And now if you want to create a game pass, just tap on this menu button on the left top, and now you have to tap on this associate items. Can you see? Just tap on it. Now if you want to create a game pass, you have to tap on passes, and so your all the game passes will be listed here. So if you want to create a game pass, basically you just need to tap on this create a pass button. And now after new update guys, now you don't have to upload an image. So to create a game pass, it will have a by default image, so you don't have to upload it. If you want to upload, then you can upload. It's not mandatory, optional. It is optional now. So now you have to enter the name of the game pass here. You have to enter the description and tap on this create pass. It's a very simple step, so you can do it. Now if you want, once you create a game pass, suppose this is my newly created game pass, and if you want to configure it, you can do it by just tapping on it. And now you have to tap on this menu button, and now you have to tap on this sales. Now in sale guys, you just need to tap on this toggle button to enable the game pass for the sale. And now you can enter the price you want. So I'm gonna enter 30 robux, suppose. So the creator will get 70 out of it. It means I'll get 21 robux out of it. So just tap on save changes. Now once you created a game pass, now if you want to add it to the please donate, let's do that. So it's a if you want to earn robux in roblox for free, then you can use please donate for that. So in please donate, users donate by purchasing your game pass or the items that you list there. So if you want to list item in a please donate, and if you want to do it for a fee, the game pass is a right option. Because if you want to list your clothes like t-shirts, shirts and pants, then you have to use or you have to spend 10 robux for each item or each cloth item. So let's move to the please donate. So once you open the please donate, so if you don't know how to do that, how to open a please donate, you just need to go to your roblox app. You just need to go to your roblox app and search for pls donate. So the game please donate will be listed there, and you just need to tap on to play. So once you enter the game, now you have to if you want to list your item, what do you need to do? You just need to go to any empty stand. So suppose I'm gonna list not here, it is only claimed. Now if I want to list my item, you have to look for any empty stand. So suppose this is an empty stand, just hold this stand button to claim your stand, and your game passes will be listed here. Fine. So I recently listed one item here, which is with newly created game pass, that was the testing. So once you list here, so if someone purchased from here, so you get 70 out of it. So you can see that there are many things you can use, like you can tap on shop to customize your stand. Fine. And you can tap on this offline donation, where you can donate to user if they are online. So you just need to enter the username and a message, and it will donate automatically. So if you tap on this, so this is the redeem code. So you just need to enter the redeem code here to redeem your robux, and yeah, that's it. And tap on 30 row. So that's it about the please donate. Hope you like it, hope you understood. And yeah, that's how you can list your item in roblox for free. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.